The beginning takes time.
It's okay.
Wow, this is so long beginning. You're not even in this. You're just leaving me here to die.
I'm sorry.
Does my computer go louder? I hope you keep this, because I'm fucking looking like an idiot.
I'm keeping it. Trust me.
I'm violently finger pointing.
Okay.
Go fast! Do it as fast as you can. I'm about to go so hard, ready to break down. I can't even keep up with you. What?
Then it was like blurry because the computer couldn't even keep up with your attitude.
I can't go faster. I'm trying so hard. My whole body is shaking.
That's 112.
Oh god, there's tears in my eyes.
Oh my gosh.
I'm done.
Okay.